Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Friends, as we all know that in UPSC examinations preparation, the faculties are the crucial role players as they decide our fate and they can make or break us our journey, and therefore it's extremely important that we rely on a reliable faculty. And therefore friends, if you're searching for the best faculty when it comes to anthropology IAS optional coaching, then please watch this video till the end, as I'll be discussing with you which are the two major institutions where you can find the exceptional IAS faculty for your examination preparation of IAS optional anthropology. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. So friends, let us begin, and the first coaching institution where you find the best faculty for this subject is the Plutus IAS coaching. Friends, the faculty of Plutus IAS coaching when it comes to anthropology includes the very great Dr. Huma Hussain, PhD JNU gold medalist, ex-assistant professor at Jamia Millia. Then we also have other faculty institutional member like Dr. Huma Hussain, who teaches students very well when it comes to anthropology IAS optional coaching. Various students have also commented about this institution's faculty, and all the comments are always positive, an exceptionally rare comment which comes about this institution. So friends, you should definitely go ahead and try Plutus IAS once. You can also check their faculty at their institution's website, which is plutisias.com, or you can simply type Plutus IAS on Google and you'll get it. So friends, do check this out. But before moving on, let's discuss some more details about what are the features of Plutus IAS coaching. Plutus IAS coaching classes is the destination for the student preparing for UPSC and especially this optional subject. It ensures optimum utilization of resources and energy of students in the direction of success. It has been evident from the 20 plus years of experience in teaching that they provide learning strategies to the student by the teaching techniques in order to ensure the best outcome for the students. Moreover, they have been providing education through online as well as offline mode to build a reputation in the field of coachings of the country. Alright, now let's move to the learning environment of this institution. The coaching institute has designed a unique teaching facility to the students in order to enhance their productivity and allow an increment in their existing knowledge and capabilities. Meaning, it provides an overall teaching session related to all relevant topics of the subject. Further, it has an efficient learning environment to induce them towards studies and helps to reduce the confusion among them related to the preparation for examination. They also have various features like online classes, offline classroom facility which has just begun, interactive sessions, doubt clearing sessions, and current affairs classes as well apart from your core classes. Okay. So friends, the next institution for the best faculty where you can get for this subject is the Yojna IAS coaching institution. Friends, before telling me what the faculty is all about, let's discuss the contact details. So the email ID includes info@yojnaias.com and their contact number is 8595390705. Alright, so friends, Yojna IAS is an institute that was established with an aim of helping students for the competitive exam and not their own profit, and therefore the faculty here is extremely selfless and devote their entirety to the students and making them learn each and every concept so that students are very clear with what they are actually learning. This institute was established with an honest vision, and the main motive is to provide students aspiring for UPSC with the best of the resources and education, and therefore they also have the top-notch faculty. In this coaching institution, you get the coaching in both English and Hindi medium. There are many coaching in the entire country and most of them call themselves the best. However, Plutus IAS and Yojna IAS are always the top two coaching institution when it comes to IAS and UPSC optional subjects preparation. Friends, their courses includes a lot of things like daily current affairs, counseling sessions, study material which are prepared by these faculty members by great details and study. So friends, Yojna IAS is definitely the right choice. So friends, these were our top two institutions when it comes to the great faculty and the mentor where you can get for the anthropology optional IAS coaching. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding both these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so that you don't miss out on any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and hit the like button if you like the video.